Welcome back to the Adventure Bus series. Quick stop for a coffee and back to knocking out some more rivets. So here is our ceiling. We have it all removed from the bus now. Currently we're working on the walls. There's a lot of scrap metal here for somebody. All right, here we are back at the bus. Got quite a bit done. As you can see, the floor and the ceiling. So we just have to finish this last piece of wall here. So we're gonna do that. Quite echoing here. We're gonna get that done, and then we are ready to sweep everything out and use some rust killer on the floor. See if we can get this all cleaned up. All right, let's get to it. So I tried quite a few different methods of rivet removal, and I found that the hammer and chisel was the fastest possible method. I think that was it for rivets. I think we're finished. I hope I never see another rivet again. That's it. We did it. Oh God. Woo! So it's 31 degrees outside, which is super hot. So I am going to lower a bunch of these windows to try and get some cross breeze through here. And then after that, I'm going to get rid of all of this insulation that we have down the sides here and get the bus ready for spray foam and some welding to the floor. I was extra careful with the removal of a couple of these pieces because I would be reusing them in the future, especially something like a sun visor you want to save. This was the last of the metal panels that I had to deal with, and boy did it give me trouble. Finally a good yank in the corner and a nice bend in it, and I was able to remove it. Oh, and I also found a spare key to the bus. So I picked this stuff up at my local Princess Auto, and I am super happy with the results. It actually converts the rust, and you're able to just kind of scrape it off and wipe it away. So this is what it looks like afterwards. And then I grabbed an angle grinder with a flap disc, made sure I had a respirator on, and scraped away. So if you're as excited as me to see this transformation, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button.